Hi, welcome to my channel Glow Up Skin. I hope you all are doing well. Today I will share 10 bad habits that ruin your skin. There are many bad habits that can have a negative impact on the health and appearance of your skin. Here are 10 common habits that can ruin your skin. Smoking. Smoking can lead to premature aging, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. Skipping sunscreen. Failing to protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays can lead to sun damage, premature aging, and an increased risk of skin cancer. Poor diet. A diet high in sugar, processed foods, and unhealthy fats can contribute to skin problems such as acne, inflammation, and premature aging. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration can make your skin look dull and dry, and may contribute to wrinkles and fine lines. Not getting enough sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to under-eye bags, dull skin, and an increase in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Stress. Chronic stress can lead to inflammation, which can contribute to skin problems such as acne, psoriasis, and eczema. Touching your face. Touching your face can transfer bacteria and dirt from your hands to your skin, leading to breakouts and other skin problems. Not removing makeup before bed. Leaving makeup on your skin overnight can clog pores, leading to breakouts and other skin problems. Using harsh skincare products. Harsh skincare products can strip the skin of its natural oils and lead to dryness, irritation, and inflammation. Overexfoliating can damage the skin's protective barrier and lead to irritation, dryness, and sensitivity.